Hi guys, welcome to another video where today we are going to be talking about some internet safety.
Chaos. I tried preparing for the real world. I'm not with him 24/7, so I can't protect him all the time, can I?
Okay.
Kids are inherently curious, and on the internet there's so much knowledge and information that I need to make sure that as an educator that I'm teaching them.
I need to restart this, so here we go. Okay, this is weird.
I couldn't imagine what the world would be like without internet today. It'd be nothing but chaos.
I tried preparing for the real world. I'm not with him 24/7, so I can't protect him all the time, can I?
Kids are inherently curious, and on the internet there's so much knowledge and information that I need to make sure that as an educator that I'm teaching them the skills that they need to start to look out for themselves. The Be Internet Awesome program is designed to teach students in a fun way how to be safe online. You're on a web page and you see a button that says click here and you could win $1 million. What do you think would happen? Yeah, Matthew.
Get scammed.
Maybe you'd get scammed. Ethan.
Whenever you're on, you get a virus.
What do you do if someone you don't know tries to follow you?
I block them because I have a private account.
Excellent.
We are about to journey into a place that's called Interland to learn how to be internet awesome.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna play the game.
Good job, Zaire. All right. You got it.
What they do online now is something that's going to follow them for the rest of their lives. The lessons we're doing and the activities that we're doing in the classroom are making an impact. They are developing the skills that they need in order to be able to keep themselves safe online.
Looks like it would be real.
It's fake, because look how internet is spelled.
Then I would have got fish on.
Nowadays, the internet is the way people see you. Anybody can post anything on the internet, and sometimes those things that they post are not okay. Be respectful to others. If somebody gets hurt, try to help them.
Yeah.
If you come across something that's either inappropriate or like bullying or just anything that makes you feel uncomfortable, you should tell somebody. Be internet awesome.
Okay, so that was a little summary of how to be awesome on the internet, I guess. So, share with care. Don't share anything that's bad. Don't fall for fake. It's important to help. Okay, this is just boring. So let's get to the game. Welcome to Interland, a magical place with brimming with both awesome and blasphemous powers. Embark on a quest to become. I can't even read this. It's too fast. With kids, we're probably in like 5th grade. Guy's so cute. Is this us? Cool. Presents Interland. Let's do this. Face. Oh! Time Kingdom, Reality River, Mindful Fountain, Tower of Treasure. We're playing Tower of Treasure. Secure your secrets. Imagine this game in VR.
Mayday! The town tower is unlocked, leaving the internet's valuables at high risk.
We need to save this. Got a sword? Got a gun?
Outrun the hacker and build an untouchable password. To secure your secrets once and for all. Collect enough blocks to form the first word of your password. Begin with lowercase letters.
Okay. Where are we? Geez, we have to start all the way back here? How do we move? I actually don't know. I'm just guessing this is how we move. Oh, it automatically moves. You just jump. will just let you play it for free. Ah! Hacker! Oops, looks like you dropped something. Okay, I got 3. This is so hard. Imagine this in VR. Just imagine. I program it to jump. I have to get 18 of these. Let's go to a different level. Let's go to the Kind Kingdom. Oh yeah, dancing, dancing, dance, 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 dancing. They're so sad.
Vibes of all kinds are contagious, for better or for worse. In the sunniest corner of town, cyberbullies are spreading negativity everywhere. Block and report bullies to stop their takeover, and be kind to other internauts to restore the peaceful nature of this land. Get to the top of the kingdom by spreading good vibes and nixing the bad. Send kindness to internauts who need a little love.
Alright. I'm out. There you go. No, I keep on pressing space. It's a cool little game. There's someone down here, isn't there? There we go. Stop doing that, Ethan. Wish you could double jump. That would make the whole game like a cheat. This is quite easy. No! Press space again. This is a whole arrow key game.
Jump on the button to block the bully and protect the internauts from negative vibes.
Let me get these guys first. loving, not just well, the bully does need to be taken care of, but kind of want to beat this bully. You know. Block. Block. Blocked? This is nonsense. It doesn't matter with me. You're blocked. I've never been blocked. Well, yeah, I've been blocked from playing a game before. And it was just a little Roblox game, and this person was like, OMG, this dude's doing something that he has to be kicked from. Go ahead. Blocked. This is a really difficult
Grab the
game.
speaker and use it to report the bully's mean behavior.
Just throw a poop emoji. First, I want to get these people. What's -5 happiness? Get that defeated. Dip, 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 yeah. Dip, 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 dip. I am the epic one. Megaphone. Apart. I keep on getting achievements. He blocked me. Yeah, this game's pretty difficult. You know what? Should I make you happy? I think I should. That guy needs to be, he was blocked. Now he should be. Oh, he was never blocked. He needs to be blocked now. He needs to be blocked and reported. Blocked. These people need to be blocked and reported ASAP. You need to block and report all those bully butt cheeks. No! How do you just take you out of jail? Get wrecked! This is actually a pretty fun game. Internet safety is unreal. Never knew it was that good. Yes! This is just a simple platformer, you know. Oh, follow. Don't worry, I wrecked him.